Natalia Nepryaeva is a Russian cross-country skier. She was born on September 6, 1995 in Tver, Russia. She won the first silver medal at the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics in the cross-country skiing woman. Natalya Nepryaeva becomes first Russian to win Tour de Ski's overall standings. She participated in the 2018 Winter Olympics as part of the Olympic athletes from Russia team and won a bronze medal in the 4x5 km relay. She became the first Russian female skier to win the Tour de Ski, doing so during the 2021-22 World Cup season. At the 2019 FIS Nordic World Ski Championships, Nepryaeva became the first female Russian skier since 2007 to win a medal in skiathlon. In the 2018-19 season, Nepryaeva became the first Russian female skier to finish in the top 3 of the Tour de Ski. Nepryaeva became the first Russian skier to win the multi-day race. In 2019 and 2020, she finished second, while in 2021, Russia's Yulia Stupak also took second place. Nepryaeva was first included to the Russian national team in 2015. She never had a World Cup podium finish prior to the 2018 Olympics. In 2021, Natalia Nepryaeva has finished fourth in a 10-km freestyle mass start at the final stage of the Tour de Ski multi-day race taking place in Italy.